Hello everyone. Welcome to ISO 20000 Awareness Training Series. I'm truly excited to take you on the journey of mastering IT service management excellence through the globally recognized ISO 20000 standard. Whether you are a part of IT operations, service delivery, or management, this course is designed to equip you with the framework, principles, and practical tools to enhance your organization service quality and customer satisfaction. Before we go and dive in this course, I need to also to focus that the value of this course will be also extended to save a cost for our organizations. If any organization is planning to launch or obtain ISO 20000 certificate, this awareness training will be enough for your employees to practice or to gather the required information and make an awareness between your employees across all layers to encourage them to be engaged in the certification process, and also it will close the gap between the current knowledge level about ISO 20000 and what your employees should be when obtaining or during obtaining the certificate. Our course audience not only restricted to IT managers and practitioners, project managers, but also extended to service delivery managers, enterprise architects, product owners, especially for IT products, process engineers. Also, it can be extended to UX and UI designer. If you are involved in designing, delivering, or managing IT services, this course will speak directly to your role, responsibilities, and goals. Uh, this course content uh, will start from the introduction to ISO 20000. Then we will dive in the structure and requirements of this standard. We will also explain the service management system and what is the key processes will be included in the IT service management and the practices. Implementation roadmap, we will explain the implementation steps for ISO 20000. We will explain the certification process and readiness. We will let you know when you will be ready for obtaining the certificate. We will also explain the roles and responsibilities for each employee inside your organization according to their roles. We will demonstrate some real world case studies, and we will finish this course with a short quiz to take a look or a summary for what we learned about ISO 20000. We have many frameworks inside the organization. These frameworks interacts with ISO 20000. It is also integrate with as ISO 20000. It is also integrates with several industry standards such as ISO 20000 and 7, which is concerned about the information security. We can also see that ISO 31, which is highly concerned about risk management. We have here ISO 38 and 500s, which is focusing on the IT governance. ITIL is a best practice service management, PMBOK and TOGAF for project management and enterprise architecture alignment. It also can integrate with the CMMI, which is concerned about the maturity in software and service development. This layer approach ensures that ISO 20000 becomes the backbone of your organization service excellence. We have here some purposes for why we as an organization implement ISO 20000, because it gives us an alignment with the business goals. It is also establishing a framework to have a consistent IT service management. It helps us to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the IT service delivery. It ensures the customer satisfaction through reliable IT services and provide best practices for continual improvement in IT service management. So this international standard for IT service management is focusing on aligning IT services with business needs and ensuring consistent high quality service delivery, and it is also provides a structured approach for planning, delivering, operating and reviewing IT services. It also drives the excellence, reduce inefficiencies, and build trust between IT and businesses. Why ITSM or IT service management is important for us? IT services are critical to business operations and success, and it also ensures the service reliability and availability. However, it helps to manage the risks, incidents, problems effectively and aligns the IT services with business objectives. And as we said before, it improves customer satisfaction by providing value-driven services. It is not luxury anymore. It is necessity because it will help us to build a repeatable processes, clear roles, measurable outcomes, and it will be your blueprint for operational stability and service excellence. The benefits of implementing ISO 20000 for organizations, in fact, there are many benefits, but not limited to what we are saying here in our presentation. But we can recognize few strategic benefits, such as improving service quality and customer satisfaction. It will give us a strong alignment between IT and business objectives. It will help us to reduce the service disruptions, minimize the downtime, and maximizing the uptime. Hence, it will minimize the operational risks. It will help us to have clear documentation, roles, and accountability. It will equip us with competitive advantages against our competitors, especially in tenders, and will help to gain your client trust. Finally, the continual improvement will be built into the process through the BDCA cycle, which is plan, do, check, act cycle. It will help us to increase the efficiency. It helped to in organization protection because it will ensure the regulatory compliance with the local laws for each country. There are key differences between ISO 20000 and other frameworks. If we are talking from different aspects such as type, ISO 20000 is a certifiable standard. However, ITIL is a framework and COBIT is a governance model. The purpose of ISO 20000 is to define the requirements of IT service management system, while the purpose from ITIL is to provide the best practice for IT service management, and COBIT, its purpose is to focus on governance and control of the enterprise IT. The certification of ISO 20000 will be provided for the organization, while ITIL will be provided to the individuals, and COBIT can be provided to the individuals or the organization. However, it is a very powerful framework for governance. The scope of ISO 20000 is end-to-end IT service life cycle. And the ITIL, the best practice for IT services is its scope, and the scope of COBIT is the IT governance and control over business IT processes. The main focus of ISO 20000 is the compliance and the process-driven IT service management. And the ITIL, the focus on the optimization of service management, and COBIT, it will help us to govern IT risk and compliance, which is we call it GRC. Here we are. We reached the end of our today's session. Thank you for your attendance and for your valuable time. In the next session, we will take a closer look at the structure of the ISO 20000 standard, including clauses, documentation, requirements, and service management system. Thank you again for your time, and I'm looking forward to continuing with journey with us. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.